77 to 1 censure Iraq. Only Iraq voted against the resolution.
Boris Johnson today made his first public appearance as he came down with unspecified heart ailment on Wednesday. Medical restrictions were published at Azerbaijan.
Leapfrog.
Meanwhile, the Russian parliament needs to challenge Yeltsin's power.
Two. Oh!
What did he do?
That bunny kicked him.
Here he goes. Oh, I thought he was going to spring. There he is! You got it? Oh, jeez, that guy quit shit. He didn't see it either. He just get in his car. Did you get that right? Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. Actually, isn't it? Maybe it is. No, it's not. Let's go.
Oh, I gotta get this.
No,
No way.
come on. Let's go.
You can't hurt anything. This is hilarious. This is great. The battery's almost dead anyway, so I'm just gonna keep shooting.
Like one our car.
Whoa, yeah. Come on, battery, hold up. Oh, this is great. No way, I'm not changing batteries until this thing croaks. You get about 5 minutes when it sits that.
Oh, sorry.
You guys got teeth marks on it.
No, stay there. You have to use the end of the broom, Fiona.
Mom,
The other end.
but what is it going to do now good to chase it out?
It pokes it, and it moves. It moves much quicker with that end than that end. Because that end won't get under there. This end will.
I want to hold this end. I have more control. Oh, it moved already.
Open the gate.